How you doing? I'm Pat with Pat's Rides. I thought it was time I would introduce myself here in the wild, wonderful West Virginia. I forget the name of the river. I'll put the name up above here somewhere. But anyway, welcome to my channel. Real briefly, what my channel's about is motorcycles and motorcycle adventure travel, that kind of things mostly. So if you look at my videos, you'll see it's mostly about places I've traveled, products I've bought and given just my 2 cents on, so I'm going to have some review videos. I really just started taking this channel somewhat seriously at the beginning of 2019 now, so bear with me as I get better gear, get more experience, and get around to doing this the right way. If you want to help me out, hit that subscribe button. As of today, the 25th of July, I've got 55 subscribers. If I can hit that 100 number, I can at least get the custom URL. Stick around, stay tuned. I think you're going to like the videos coming up. I don't plan on doing something on a specific time at this point, but who knows down the road. Right now, 1 or 2 videos a month might be my max, but spoiler alert, 2020, I've got an Alaska trip planned, so stick around for that. All right, thanks. I appreciate it.